In this talk, we are going to start the history of Java. First, we are going to talk about the origins. That was early 1990s. Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystem, later acquired by Oracle Corporation. Originally named Oak, it was designed for consumer electronics, but the project pivoted with the rise of the internet. What is means of the project pivoted with the rise of the internet? Pivot of the Java project with the rise of the internet refers to a strategic shift in focus for the Java programming language. Initially conceived for consumer electronics and embedded system, Java's direction changed as the internet began to gain prominence. The team at Sun Microsystem recognized the emerging potential of the internet and realized that Java could play a crucial role in this evolving landscape. Java's key features, especially its platform independence, write once, run anywhere, WORA, security measures, and ability to run code on various devices without modification, made it an ideal choice for the internet application. The pivot towards internet-centric development involved reorienting Java's capabilities to better serve the demands of web-based applications and services. The introduction of the Java applets, small programs that could be embedded within the web pages and executed by a browser, was one of the earliest manifestations of this pivot. If I talk about the Java's adaptability and security feature, made it an attractive option for the creating interactive and dynamic content on the web. As a result, it became a foundational technology for web development, allowing developers to create applications that could be accessed and run through web browsers across different platforms. This strategic shift aligned Java with the rapidly growing internet landscape, establishing it as a versatile and widely used adopted language for developing various web-based solutions, and contributing significantly to its widespread adoption and success. Okay, let me talk about the Java development milestone. In 1991, the first name is given to a Java language was Oak. And in 1995, we got a stable version of Java 1.0, and that was released to public, providing writing once, run anywhere, WORA capabilities. The version Java 1.0 was having the capabilities to run on any operating system like Linux, Mac, or Windows operating system. In 1996, introductions of applets, a small application executed within web browser, was introduced in 1996. In 1998, Java 2, that was J2SE 1.2, brought significant enhancement like a Swing GUI toolkit, collection framework, and JIT, just-in-time compiler. Here, Swing GUI toolkit, there in between GUI stands for graphical user interface. This GUI stands for the graphical user interface. And if I talk about what it means of J2SE 1.2, J2SE 1.2, the release on December 8, 1998, and a subsequent release through J2SE 5.0 were rebranded retrospectively Java 2, and the version name J2SE Java 2 Platform Standard Edition replaced JDK to distinguish the base platform from J2EE Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition and J2ME Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. Okay, let me talk about the expansion and adoption of Java language. Expansion and adoption of Java. Java gained popularity due to its portability, security features, and its suitability for web development. Became a key technology for enterprise software development. Okay, let me discuss about the evolution of Java platform. Yes, right. Evolution of Java platform. In 2004, Java 5 was released, J2 SE 5.0 was introduced. In that, we got the generics, enumerations, annotations, and enhanced for loops. These are the capabilities which was added in Java 5. Then after that, it released in 2006, Java 6 was released. JDK 6 included improvements in performance, scripting, and web services. In 2006, Java 6 JDK 6 was released. Java JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Included improvements in performance, scripting, and web services. In 2011, Java 7 was released and brought the features like try with resources, string, switch, and diamond operator for the type inference. In 2014, Java 8 was released. In 2014, Java 8 was reintroduced. In that, we got the Lambda expressions, stream APIs was there. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and the new date and time API Java.time is there. And in 2017, Java 9 was introduced. In that, we got the module system like Project Jigsaw, enhancing scalability and security. In 2018, Java 10 was released, and after that, Java 11 was introduced with a new feature, a long-term support was there in Java 10 and 11. These are the evolution of a Java platform. How year-wise it is evolved. Okay, let me go for the explanation of a recent development. Let me explain the recent development of Java. If I talk about the recent development of Java, that is regular and rapid release through adoption of a new release cadence. Java releases every 6 months. And enhanced focus on modularity, performance, and security. Continual updates and improvements to the language and its ecosystem. Java's journey from its inception to the present has been marked by continuous evolution, adapting to technological advancement and community needs, making it a robust and versatile programming language used in various domains. Now we have completed the history of Java. We have completed the history and evolution of Java. That was our first module. What was introductions to Java? In that, we have discussed one subtopic of that is history and evolution of Java. Okay, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.